Okay, so let us continue with the part 2 ng lesson number 1, illustration of quadratic equation. So, from the previous video, diniscuss natin yung definition ng quadratic equation. In second degree polynomial equation daw siya of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, wherein yung value daw ng a, b, c are real numbers and yung a is not equal to 0. Ang standard form na sinusunod natin, yung ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, wherein yung first term or the leading term is the quadratic term, yung ax squared, then yung bx is the linear term, and then the c is the constant term, and yung right side ng equation must always be in 0 para masabi mo siyang standard form. Okay? Pag naka-standard form kasi, madali mong ma-identify yung value ng a, b, and c. Let us have examples. Write the following quadratic equation daw in standard form, and then identify the values of a, b, and c. So, idagdag na rin natin, describe na natin kung ano yung mga terms niya, yung quadratic, linear, and the constant term. Okay, let us have example number 1. So, example number 1 is x times the quantity of x minus 5 equal to 6. So, solution, using the distributive property, multiply natin yung first term. X times x will be x squared. Then, negative x times negative 5 will be negative 5x equal to 6. We use the distributive property of multiplication over addition, or the DPMA. Then, standard form natin sinusunod yung ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, di ba? So, kailangan yung right side ng equation is 0. So, here, meron tayong 6. So, halapin mo yung additive inverse niya. So, additive inverse ng 6 is negative 6. So, mag-subtract ka ng 6 to both sides of the equation. So, ayan. So, x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals to 6 minus 6. Nag-addition property of equality tayo, or APE. Whenever na mag-add ka sa both side or magsusubtract ka sa both side of the equation, you're doing addition property of equality. Okay, so finally we have the left side of the equation, x squared minus 5x equal to 6 equal to 0. So ang quadratic term natin will be x squared, ang linear term will be negative 5x, at ang constant term is negative 6. And we want to find the values of a, b, c. So yung a natin is 1 right here. So pag 1 kasi hindi na sinusulat, no? Okay, so a is equal to 1. B is negative 5 right here, and then c, ayan, is negative 6. So yun, so the standard form and the values of a, b, and c. Example number 2 na tayo. So meron tayo ditong product ng 2 binomials sa left side, and then equal to 10. So using the FOIL method, product ng first term will be x times x. Product ng outer terms, yung nasa labas, so addition pa rin, so plus x times negative 4. And then product ng inner terms, so 3 times x, so plus 3 times x. Then product ng mga last term, yung 3 tsaka negative 4, so plus 3 times negative 4, equal pa rin tayo sa 10 muna. So simplifying the term, so x times x will be x squared, yung pangalawang term will be negative 4x, then 3x plus 3x minus 12 equal to 10 pa rin muna. Okay, so meron tayong 10 dito, so magsusubtract tayo ng 10 to both sides later on. And then meron tayo ditong similar terms na i-combine. So they are both linear terms, so negative 4x plus 3x will be negative x. Okay, so next step, ayan na siya, x squared minus x minus 12. So dito na tayo mag-subtract ng 10 sa both side ng equation. Ayan, so using the APE ulit. So finally, may i-combine pa rin tayo dito, yung negative 12 minus 10. So, that will be negative 22. So, copy, change. Tatandaan nyo, negative 12 plus negative 10 ang magiging addition sentence nun. So, the equation now will be x squared minus x minus 22. So, yung right side, 10 minus 10 is 0 na. So, ang quadratic term will be x squared. Linear term is negative x. Constant term will be negative 22. So, ang a natin, gaya ng kanina, so a is equal to 1. B is right here, negative 1. And C is negative 22. Okay, so ganun lang kadali. So, do the FOIL method kapag may product of two binomials. And with the help of APE, makukuha mo siya. Example number 3 tayo. So, example number 3 naman dito, it involves square of binomial. So, paano ba pag square of binomial? So, ang pattern natin will be quantity a of a plus b squared, quantity squared, is equal to the square of the first term plus twice the first and the second plus square of the last term. So, gawin natin yun sa 3x. Okay, so x squared, square ng first term, plus twice ng first tsaka ng second term, that will be 2 times x times negative 3 plus square of the last term, yung negative 3, square mo, and then equal sa 5x muna. Okay, so x squared, simplify natin yung 2 times x times negative 3, that will be negative 6x. Negative 3 square will be 9, equal to 5x. Okay, so meron tayong 5x pa dito sa right side. So, mag-subtract tayo ng 5x sa both side ng equation. So, ayan na siya. Okay, so this will be APE. So, yung negative 6x minus 5x will be negative 11x. Okay, yan. Negative 6x minus 5x will be negative 11x. Okay, so the equation now will be x squared minus 11x plus 9. Yung nasa right side will be 0 na. Quadratic term will be x squared. Linear term will be negative 11x. Constant term will be 9. Okay, value ng a is 1. B is negative 11. And C is equal to 9. Okay, so that's it. Standard form tsaka ng values ng ABC sa example number 3. Let us have the last example. Okay, product uli ng two binomials. So, mag-FOIL method uli tayo. So, 4x times x. Outer terms naman, plus 4x times negative 3. Inner terms naman, plus 2 times x. Plus 2 times x. Then, last term naman, ang multiply natin, plus 2 times negative 3, equal mo pa rin yan sa negative 2, sa 2x squared. Simplifying more on the terms, so 4x squared ang first term, minus 12x, plus 2x, minus 6 equals 2x squared. So, meron kang 2x squared dito, na quadratic. So, magma-minus ka ng 2x squared sa both side. So, itatabi mo na yan sa 4x squared. Then, meron kang i-combine dito na similar terms na parehong linear term. So, magiging negative 10x yan. Okay, so, finally, we have 4x squared minus 2x squared minus 10x minus 6 equals to 2x squared minus 2x squared. Nag-APE. Okay, finally, we have 2x squared minus 10x minus 6 equals 0. Ang quadratic term natin will be 2x squared. Linear term is negative 10x. Ang constant term is negative 6. Ang a natin is 2. Ang b is negative 10. And c is negative 6. Okay, so, yun. Ganun lang kadali yan. So, I have showed you 4 examples sa pagsulat ng standard form and then value ng ABC. Okay?